Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called McMoney, okay? And McMoney says that you can earn money for receiving text messages, SMSs. So let's find out whether this company is legit. How does this work? How much money can you really make? And the big question always is this worth your time? Because if they can pay you a lot, it might be. If they can't, maybe it's not, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just from your computer, click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check it out if you want. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, a few different SMS text receiving businesses and softwares, all sorts of different make money online websites, business models, and some of them are great, but a lot of them actually don't really pay you out that much. So let's see how McMoney stacks up to some of these other opportunities, all right? Now, first of all, I want to mention that McMoney is legit. All right, so it is a legit platform, it's a legit software, and how this actually works is all you need to do is come to McMoney or cm.com/McMoney, right? You may have seen this already, and you can download it right here on their website. Now, unfortunately, you can't download this from any of the app stores, you know, Android or Apple App Store. You have to download it as an APK file directly from their website, so only you can decide whether you feel comfortable with that, because it's not from an official store, right? But these guys are legit, so you should be okay and safe. But again, that's up to you, right? This is only for Android, so unfortunately, if you're an Apple user, you can't download this particular application. But the way it works is very simple. You download the APK to your phone, you install the software onto your phone, you register your phone number, and this works anywhere in the world, and then you receive SMSs over the next few weeks, and then you make money directly from McMoney. That's how it works. It's very, very simple, right? Now, why do they do this? The reason is because they are trying to test brand new phone networks from all over the world. So they work with different clients, different telcos, and they help them to test the networks to see whether people are really receiving SMS messages, and they will pay you just a little bit of money for you to take part in these tests. That's kind of how it works, right? Very, very simple. Now, they pay out through PayPal. So you must have a PayPal account, and basically it is the threshold is different in every country. So, for example, if you live in the US, it might be $5. If you lived in Asia, it might be $3. If you lived in Europe, it might be $4. It's different in every single part of the world, but it's around $5 as a threshold before you can withdraw that into your PayPal. Okay. Now, the big question about this kind of service, receiving text messages and earning money from it, because you're not really doing anything. This is highly passive. All you're doing is you're downloading the APK app from McMoney, right? You put it on your phone, and then once in a while you receive SMSs as they're testing different networks, right? So the amount of money you make will really depend on where you live in the world, how many networks they're testing at the time, and so there are different factors which will depend on how much money you will really make. But on average, okay, for a website like this, because I've reviewed other SMS receiving, websites and software and services before, expect to earn around $5 a month. All right, if you even earn $5 or more, you're very, very lucky. Okay, most of the time it's just a few dollars, like $2, $3, $4, around that range. You can't expect to earn a ton of money, because really they're only sending you a few SMSs a month, and it's 100% free. Okay, so it is a legit way. It is passive, and this works globally on any Android device. These guys are a big company, but you can only earn roughly about $5 a month, okay? So don't expect to earn like, hundreds of dollars a month, thousands of dollars a month. That's not how much these kind of opportunities pay, unfortunately, but it's real, it's legit, and it's free, okay? So $5 a month roughly for downloading this app. You can check it out if you want. I honestly think there are better ways to make money online, but this is a free and legit way if you want to check it out, all right? Now, if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate some real significant income online. Maybe, some side income, maybe some full-time income, maybe even more than your full-time income, because you understand that technology is powerful, right? That's why you're on the internet today. And the thing is that you can make money online, but there are so many different ways to do it. I've researched tons of different ways. I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars over the years into different business models. And for me, out of all of them, there's still one model that I think is my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month. And if you would like that strategy for free, just click the link below and I'll send you that straight to your email. You can check it out if you want. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review today, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.